Good evening, everyone. I'm here to share, show, and explain to you how to make a simple business website. Um, Here is my IDE and dito ako magko-code. But before that, let me explain to you how controllers, routing, and blades are used in here. First, blade. What is blade? Blade is a Laravel templating engine. Think of it as a way to create HTML templates with some added features and a dynamic content easier to handle. Yung purpose nito is it allows you to drive PHP code in your HTML in a clean and concise manner. For example, ito. Ito. Code natin. Right. Mas madaming example is ito po. Yan. Compose ng iba't ibang HTML and PHP codes like containers. Also, routing. What is routing? Routing in Laravel defines how different URLs in your application are handled. It maps URL patterns to specific function or controller's purpose. Routing helps you decide what should happen when a user visits particular URL. In Laravel, you define routes in file located at routes directory. The most common file web is web.php. Ito po siya. Routes web.php. Napansin nyo, may codes na siya. Yan na po kasi yung sa simple website, hindi pa na-designan. And the third one is controllers. Controllers are classes that handle logic for your application HTTP request. They group related request handling logic together. Purpose. Controller keeps your code organized by separating request handling logic from routes. Magkaiba sila ng files. Dito makikita si controllers. How controller works. You define a controller by creating a class in app HTTP controllers directory. Gaya nito. Apps HTTP is controllers. Tas yung purpose nito is mas maging organized palalo yung gagawin mong codes. And other use of controllers is in Laravel, controllers serve as central place for handling a logic and behind incoming HTTP requests. Their purpose are routing logic, business logic, and response generation. As you can see dito, siya nag-organize. By using controllers, you can maintain cleaner code to and follow the MVC model view controller pattern, which enhances the organization and maintainability of your application. Punta na tayo sa view. Punta tayo sa view. Resources. Ay, close naman. Resources, views, then layout. Dito makikita yung components ng business web na ginawa ko. Yung application, footer, header, and other components. And tatawagin natin yung homepage, like PHP artisan optimize. Ay, wait, hindi pa pala na ano. PHP artisan optimize. Ayan. Tapos PHP artisan serve. Yan. Nag-ano siya ng link. Then tawagin natin yung home na nandun sa route. Lumabas siya yung simple website natin, guys. And my home, about, contacts, service, blog. Nalalagyan natin ng design. Balik muna tayo. Yung laman ng homepage natin is ito. Tinawag niya yung layout na folder, yung footer and header. Tapos title niya, home, and ito yung content niya. Naglagay ako ng image, makikita din naman dito pagka home, image ng Hawk, kasi Hawk po yung napili kong website. Then laman ng website ko, header and paragraphs. Gumawa din ako ng model. Ano ba pala to? Sa user pala to. Ito po, model. Email, subject, message, then phone. Na makikita po sa contacts. Also, nakagawa na pala ako ng database ng magiging website ko. Which, oops. May iba't ibang tables na laman. And kung paano ko siya natawag sa kinocode ko is pumunta ako dito .env, then nilagay ko may SQL, then name na lang ng database ko. Also migrate ako ng tables para pumunta doon sa mismong database yung info na ilalagay ko sa ginawa kong web. Ito po. Yan. Lagyan natin. Pangalan ko na lang. Raymond. Tapos email subject na happy birthday. Optional yung phone number pero lalagyan pa rin natin. Okay. 09 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. Then send successfully. Then try natin tingnan kung may pumasok. Contacts. Ito na po siya, pumasok. And as you can see pala guys, wala po siyang design. Gawa-gawa lang naman tong web ko, kaya kukuha na lang din ako sa ChatGPT ng magiging content ko. Lagyan natin ng design yung about. Ito siya. Pwede natin to ilagay sa about. Ayan, this one. As an IT student, copy paste. Then save. Try natin tingnan. Then ito na siya. And bugs services. Then punta tayo sa services. Then save. Try natin check services. Then So, sa vlogs, vlogs, yan. Vlogs. Grabe. Ayan. Save, then check natin. Ito na po siya. Then, privacy policy. Hindi porket nagka-copy paste ako dito, ganun din gagawin nyo. Sa akin lang naman is example ng magiging website ko. Ito na lang. Ginagamit ko lang to sa example ko. Paano maglagay ng information sa website. Check natin ulit. Then, tataas na. Privacy. Wala pa. Terms and conditions. Ito na lang. Masyadong mahaba. And pag nireload, nandito siya lahat sa web.php. Bale, yung kung paano siya gumana is magko-code yung mga design and codes and layouts mo nasa views. Dito ka gagawa kung ng mga codes mo kung paano ka mag-design ng web, mga gusto mong ilagay na design. Then, ang purpose ng routing is siya yung tatawag sa mga kinodes mo na file sa views, yung mga blades. Then, ito yung controller ko. Yan. Yung home, ito po yung home. Pag nilagay kong home, yan, dadirect siya sa home. Tapos pag about, then pupunta siya sa about. Pag sa fact naman, then dito siya dadirect. Ganun din dito sa footer. Yan. Hindi ko nilagay lahat kasi parang mas organized kasi pag ganito. Yan. Nakita naman natin kanina nagpa-function to. Email, name, subject, then message, number. Then dadirect siya dito sa database. Papasok siya dito sa contacts. And ito po yung database ko, tables ng contacts, natin other tables, and that's it. Thank you for